Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at 3 colors by LA Colors Iced Pigment Powder. This one comes in, this is called Glam, and that's a purple. This one is called Toasted, and this one is called Twinkle, which is kind of like a greenish color. So a little bit about these LA Colors, made in LA. The iced pigment powder from LA Colors are highly pigmented powders with a bold frosted metallic finish. The long-lasting formula features buildable eye color, and it comes in 12 dazzling colors. We've got 3 here. And the net weight is 0.11 ounces or 3 grams. So with further ado, let me show you what they look like on your hand. So let's go with I'm not going to put any primer or anything on. I'm just going to do it straight up so we see what it looks like exactly from the package. So let's go with Twinkle. So I'm going to open Twinkle, and the way you get it out is that you shake it onto a certain area, and it's not it's not very neat, but the payoff for color is really good. It's a really good, highly pigmented eyeshadow. So this one, again, I said was in Twinkle. So this is what Twinkle looks like. It's kind of a bluish green, even though it comes in kind of a green packaging. It's more of a turquoisey mermaidy color. And then we're gonna go with Toasted. So Toasted we're gonna try out on this part of the hand. This is coming out a little bit neater. Not super neat, but best that we can get it. So there it is on the hand. And there it is rubbed out as a pigment. Really highly pigmented, really beautiful on the skin, really nice for eyes. So, and like I said, no primer at all. This is what it comes out like. Third one we're gonna look at is the Ice Pigment Powder LA Colors Glam, and I think of the 3, this is my favorite because I love purple. I love any shade of purple. It's just my favorite. I'm having a little trouble getting it out of there. Okay, so this is just a little bit on the hand right here, and I'm going to rub it in so you can see what the color payoff is for that. I don't think it's quite fair because it didn't reach all the areas on the hand that I was trying to put it on, so I'm going to try and get a little bit more out. But you can build and make these colors as light or as dark as you want them to. Like I was saying, you can build these colors and you can make them as dark or as light as you want them to be. I'm trying to get this purple one a little bit darker, so I'm put some more on there. I'm going to spread it around so you can see the full color payoff. It makes for a really great eyeshadow. I mean, just look at my finger. I don't know if I can get it focused. Let's see if I can focus that. There you go. You can see how how highly pigmented that actually is. So there's the purple, which is pretty impressive. So the purple, which is called Glam, really wonderful, love it. Toasted, I'm going to be using with my Halloween, I don't know why this is blurry. Toasted I'm going to be using with my Halloween costume because I decided to be a fawn, and it's a perfect color for a fawn. And the green is just super fun. The green, which is called Twinkle, is super fun for going out. Highly recommend it. These are not super expensive. They have a whole lot of color payoff for what they are. I highly recommend them. I give these 5 out of 5. I've had other eyeshadows that have costed me a lot more money that don't have anywhere near this amount of pigment payoff. And like I said, like they really do. This one I'm actually going to put a little bit more on because I want you to see the toasted just a little bit heavier, so you can see it a little bit more. It's just a nice golden taupe, a beautiful mermaidy green, and a really amazing vibrant purple. So now that you've seen all 3 colors, you can check out what other ones are in their line, since there are 12. I highly recommend them, but you don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself, like I always say. And thanks so much for watching.